Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that might be essential for some of you. How to put money on an inmate's books in 2025. Whether you're supporting a loved one behind bars or just curious about the process, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's 2025 now, so things have gotten a bit more digital and secure, making it easier than ever. But don't worry, I'll cover all the basics. First off, why do this? Putting money on an inmate's books allows them to buy essentials like food, toiletries, or even phone time. To get started, you need to gather some key info. Step 1. Verify the inmate's details. Head to your state's Department of Corrections website or use a trusted service like JPay, GTL, or Access Corrections. These platforms have been updated for 2025 with better security features, so make sure you have the inmate's full name, ID number, and facility location. Step 2. Choose your method. The most convenient way is online. Simply create an account on one of those platforms, enter the inmate's info, and add funds using a debit card, credit card, or even digital wallets like Apple Pay. If you prefer not to go digital, you can call the facility directly or send a money order via mail, but be aware that these might take longer and could have higher fees. Once you've selected your method, follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You'll need to provide your payment details and confirm everything. In 2025, many systems now include two-factor authentication for added security, so keep an eye out for that text code or email verification. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always double-check for any processing fees, which can vary by state or service. Some online options are cheaper. Also, remember that there might be daily or weekly limits on deposits, so plan accordingly. And if you're new to this, reach out to the facility's support line for guidance. Wrapping this up, putting money on an inmate's books is a simple way to show support, and with 2025's updates, it's more straightforward than before. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.